How to schedule WhatsApp messages on iPhone. To schedule WhatsApp messages on your iPhone, we will use Shortcuts app. This app usually comes pre-installed on the new iPhones. If it is not on your device, you can easily download it from App Store for completely free. Just follow these steps to schedule a WhatsApp message. First, open Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Now tap Automation tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap Create Personal Automation or New Automation. Now choose Time of the Day from the list. If you don't find this option, then use the search bar at the top to find this option. Now set the specific time at which you want the message to be sent. Under Repeat section, select how often you want this to occur. You can choose from daily, weekly or monthly. Let's select weekly. Now select the desired day of the week. Ensure that Run Immediately option is enabled. This step is essential for scheduling the message. Tap Next to proceed. Now let's set WhatsApp message. Tap New Blank Automation. Now search for WhatsApp in the Action search bar. From the search results, select WhatsApp Messenger. In the WhatsApp options, choose the contact you want to send the message to. Note that the list will show contacts you have messaged previously on the WhatsApp. So if the contact that you are looking for is not available, then just send a message to that contact first so that the contact can be selected. Next, tap Message. Now type the message you want to schedule. Once finished, tap Done to save your automation. Now at the scheduled time, your WhatsApp message will be automatically be sent to the selected contact. So that is how you can schedule WhatsApp message on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.